In a land far, far away, along a winding river, lived a crocodile named Crickle. Crickle was known for his sharp teeth and a reputation for being fierce. However, he was not as mean as people thought. One day, Crickle noticed a small bird, trapped in a hunter's net. The bird was helpless, unable to free itself. Crickle, seeing the bird's distress, felt a strange tug in his heart. He knew he could easily snatch the bird and swallow it whole, but something stopped him. Approaching slowly, Crickle used his powerful jaws to snap the net and free the bird. The bird, grateful for its life, flew away, singling Crickle's name to the heavens. Word of Crickle's good deeds spread throughout the land. The animals began to see him in a new light. They no longer feared him, but respected him. Crickle, for the first time, felt a sense of belonging. One day, a group of hunters came to the river. They saw Crickle sunbathing on the riverbank. Without hesitation, they threw their nets, aiming to catch the crocodile. Crickle, sensing the danger, quickly retreated into the river. The hunters pulled their nets, but Crickle was gone. He swam under the riverbed, hiding in a secret cave. When the hunters left, Crickle emerged from his hiding place. He looked out at the river, the animals, and the land that had accepted him. He realized that his reputation as a fierce crocodile had saved him from the hunters. From that day forward, Crickle lived peacefully, helping those in need when he could. He learned that a fierce exterior can hide a gentle heart, and that kindness is a powerful shield. And so, the moral of this story is, appearances can be deceiving. A gentle heart can hide behind a fierce exterior, and kindness can be a powerful shield.